Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing a simple quick drugstore look. I figured I haven't done any drugstore looks on my channel in what feels like forever. I could be wrong, but I feel like I haven't been using drugstore, so I'm going to show you all my quick out the door drugstore winter routine. So basically this is my day-to-day look during the winter when I'm using my drugstore products, which is typically throughout the week, and on the weekend I upgrade myself and use my bougier products, but I like to use these throughout the week because they're much cheaper, obviously. So yeah, let's get into this look. So the first thing you see me doing here is putting on a moisturizer. I'm using like the last little bit of this Milk moisturizer, which is not drugstore, but I don't really have many drugstore moisturizers anyway, so it really doesn't matter because I only have, I think, one. No, I don't have any drugstore moisturizers, unfortunately. I try to do this whole thing within 15 minutes, but of course since I'm sitting here talking and doing all that, it's gonna take me a little longer. But let me stop talking and get to it. So the next thing I'm going to use is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and you can find this, all of these items you can find, I think, in Target, CVS, or Ulta. Gonna tap that in here, tap that here. Ooh, especially up here, y'all. I burnt myself today. It's a whole tragedy. Okay, I'm nice and primed. You will notice that a lot of the products that I'm going to be using today are hydrating of some sort, because during the winter my skin, which is already dry skin type, gets super dry. So during the winter you'll mostly see me using hydrating formulas to keep me looking like I'm not dead, and also because of the mask, it's just a bad combination going on here. So if you're wondering why I'm using so many natural finish / dewy products, that is why. If you are an oily skin person, you might want to tone back on layering so many natural and dewy finish products because that will make you a lot more oily. I would mix in matte products if you have an oilier skin type. Okay, so next we are going to go ahead and conceal. Again, NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. And I'm going to add just a little more so I can get some coverage right up in here. I want to do a cream bronzer, but I don't have a drugstore one. So I think I'm just going to have to reach back and get my L'Oreal. Oh, you know what I do? This L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick foundation, and it's in the shade Espresso. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little definition to my face. And then I'm just gonna take my sponge and dip, baby. And we're just gonna keep on blending because we are not using a foundation today. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye just so I don't get any creasing. And I'm using the app in New York. I think, what is this called? The Absolute New York HD Flawless Powder, which is what I always use when I'm doing drugstore. So now I'm going to take my Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade Leader and just give myself a little bit more of a bronzy look. And I'm going in with this CoverGirl Queen Collection Pressed Powder in the shade Medium Q420, and this is what I'm going to set my entire face with. One of the reasons why I like this powder because it doesn't dry my skin out at all, so I can go heavy with it and literally be okay all day, not feeling dry. I like doing this method as opposed to wearing a liquid foundation on days where I just don't feel like wearing it, because it feels so much lighter. And to be honest, when it's time to go to work or you got stuff to do, you just want to throw on stuff and it be quick and light and not have to worry about anything. So now I want to pop on some lashes. Well, actually, let me go ahead and put my bronzer, the same bronzer Leader, in my crease. And then I'm using this L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I'm going to go ahead and put that on my top lashes before I add my falsies. I guess I should hold up my stuff. This was the setting powder that I used. This was the powder that I used. This was the foundation stick that I used. As you can see, I got it on sale somewhere. And then the Voluminous Carbon Black, so you can know what to look for in the stores. Okay, now. And then the Tropic Like It's Hot lashes in Faux Mink is what I'm about to put on now. Okay, so my lashes are on, and I'm going to go ahead and use that same mascara for the lower lash line. Now I want to add some blush, and I'm using the Juvia's Place Serafina blush, and I'm just going to lightly pack that on. Okay, I'm looking over here because my monitor is over here, if you ever wondered why. Lastly, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray, and here it is. While that's drying on my face, let me go ahead and pick out a lip. My go-to lip is always a gloss when I'm just trying to get out the house, and this time around I'm using the e.l.f. Alissa Ashley gloss. I haven't used this in quite a long time. I forgot how it looks, so let me see if I even want to wear this color. It's like a mauve rose pink. Ooh, can't open my thing. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, here it is on. I really kind of want to line my lips because this is kind of pinky. So I think I'm going to get the ColourPop BFF4 lip liner and line my lips. I'm back. It took me a little minute to find my BFF3 and get my hair together and all that. So yeah, this is my no foundation routine. I like to do this especially during the winter, and I like to use radiant products to keep my skin from drying out. These products are affordable. Everything I used in this video are products that I love, no disappointments. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Check out the links in the description box if you want to know specifics about products on the product websites. And I will see you guys in the next video.